In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 100% consistent characters with Nano Banana as a non-AI expert. We're going to use Google Gemini's image creation with Nano Banana to keep a single character looking the same across multiple scenes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. Then click the official Gemini website from the results. This takes you into the Gemini app where we'll do all our work. Inside Gemini, click Create Image. That button activates Nano Banana behind the scenes, which is what helps maintain character consistency. On the prompt panel, look for the plus sign and click it to upload your reference image. Choose a clear, well-lit photo with the subject centered and unobstructed. The better your reference, the more reliably Gemini can match the person's features from scene to scene. Now we'll craft the first scene. Paste this prompt exactly as written so Gemini knows to respect the original look and pose. Place the subject from my uploaded photo on a sunny beach with clear blue water, soft sand, and a bright sky. Natural lighting, gentle breeze, relaxed atmosphere. Keep the subject's appearance and pose exactly as in the original photo. Then click Submit and let the image generate. Give it a moment. You should see the same subject on a beach while preserving the face and posture from your reference. Next, reattach the same reference image. Click the plus sign again and upload the very same photo before your next prompt. This step is crucial, adding the reference before each new scene anchors the character. Now enter the second prompt. Place the subject from my uploaded photo sitting in the driver's seat of a modern car, hands on the wheel with daylight shining through the windows. Realistic interior lighting and reflections. Keep the subject's look, clothing, and pose consistent with the original photo. Click Submit and wait for the result. For our final example, repeat the key step. Click the plus sign and upload your reference image once more. This is the simple habit that creates consistent characters across all your images. Then paste the third prompt. Place the subject from my uploaded photo in a professional kitchen wearing a clean white chef jacket while cooking at a stainless steel counter. Include warm kitchen lighting, utensils, and food ingredients around. Preserve the subject's original appearance and facial features. Click Submit. That's it. The pattern is straightforward. Upload your reference, use a clear scene description, and explicitly ask to keep the original appearance and pose. Repeat this each time and you'll get reliable, repeatable characters across any setting you imagine.